Next problem we taken here three equations with three unknowns x1, x2, x3. This simultaneous equation we will solve by using the Gauss elimination method. This is our first row R1. We will put here the notations R1, R2, R3. For performing the operations in Gauss elimination method, we need this notations R1, R2, R3. What is Gauss elimination method? Reduce the given system of equation to upper triangular matrix. It means make this two element 0. Later on, make this element 0. So this reduced to upper triangular matrix. So we perform this calculation in two steps. First, make this two element 0 with this diagonal element. That is our step 1. Next step, make this element 0 with this diagonal element. That is our step 2. Now this element get changed after the operation. So whatever the term we have here, that will make 0 with this diagonal. Start with the first step. R2 minus R1 multiplying factor and R3 minus R1. R2 minus multiplying factor, R2 coefficient it is 3 and R1 coefficient it is 2. So this become our operation. Similarly, R3 multiplying factor of R3 it is 1 and R1 coefficient it is 2. So these are the two operations. Now this element becomes 0, but what will be the coefficient of x2, x3 and constant? So we will discuss x2 coefficient, x3 coefficient and term of constant in the second equation. So in the second R2 it is 2x2 minus 3 by 2 into its R1, that is 4x2. So the output of this minus of 4x2. So this is the output. Next, x3 coefficient minus of 2x3 multiplying factor into its x3 coefficient, which is equals to output minus of 3.5 x3 constant minus 2 multiplying factor 3 by 2 into constant it is 3. Output of this minus 6.5. So minus 4, minus 3.5 and minus 6.5. So we got change in the second row, that is R2. Similarly, we will discuss here R3. This element 0, what will be the x2, x3 and constant? Continuously we will write minus of x2 multiplying factor and its R1 4x2, which is equals to output it is. Next, x3 coefficient, x3 multiplying factor into its R1, which is equals to 0.5 x3 and the constant 6 minus 1 by 2 into multiplying factor 3, coefficient of R1 3, output is 4.5. We got change in the second and third equation. So first equation becomes same. New change in the second equation, minus 4x2 minus 3.5 x3 and the constant is 6.5. Third equation, minus of 3x2 plus 0.5 x3 which is equals to 4.5. In the next step, we'll perform the second operation. Make this element 0. Step 2. This is our step 2. Perform operation R3 with R2. R3 minus R2 because its diagonal element is minus 4x2. Multiplying factor R3 multiplying coefficient is minus 3 and R2 coefficient is minus 4. So this becomes 0. What is x3 and constant in the third row? So x3 discussion and constant x3 0.5 x3 minus of its R2 is 3.5 x3 which is equals to 3.125 x3. Its constant we'll discuss here, 4.5 minus multiplying factor into R2 minus 6.5. Calculation of this 375. So this complete our second step. Now we'll again write down the system of equation. 2x1 second equation same as it is, no change in that. New change equation in the third, this becomes 0, x3 and constant. We got here 3.125 x3 which is equals to so the given system of equation reduced into upper triangular form. Below the diagonal these two become 0, below the diagonal x2 this becomes 0, only x3. So directly value of x3 will write here, x3 is equals to 9 divided by 3.125 and the output it is x3 is equals to 3. X2 calculation minus 6.5 plus 3.5 x3 whole divided by minus of 4. After substituting x3 value here, value of x2 it is minus 1, x1 3 minus x3 minus of 4 x2 divided by 2. Substitute x2 and x3 in this, value of x1 become 2. So these are our unknowns, 3 minus 1 and 2. By backward substitution method we find this unknown. So this is nothing but our Gauss elimination method. Thank you.